Good afternoon, people of the world. I hope you're all doing well in these crazy times. Watch out for them 15-minute cities. Anyway, I do digress. So, the gateshead magistrate court's come back to me now about this speeding fine, yeah? So now I've got a notice of fine and collection order, offences and penalties. So basically they're saying, I failed to give information relating to the identification of the driver-rider of a vehicle when required. So now they're saying I must pay the total of £1,014 by 8th of March 2022. Well, I didn't fail to give them any information. I just didn't speak in legalese, and that's why they can't deal with it. So I'm not even bothered about that. And then they're saying the court has made a collection order, blah, 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 for the sum due. And then they try and scare you with all these bullet points, and they're going to do this, that, and other, and la-di-dee, la-di-da. I won't go too much to it. But Mr. Benjamin Wood, head of legal operations in the North East, the Justice Clerk, he's put his name on this letter. So I think I'm going to do an affidavit of truth against him now. He sent me this saying I owe him £1,000. And I'm going to rebut those points of failing to give information. Now, listen, this gets better, does this? Anyway, on the other side, it's just like something you'd get from your bank. How to pay, scan this online, by phone, payment by direct debit. If you can't make payments, give us a call. You know what I mean? It's fucking corporate bullshit, mate. Oh, and then there's this other bit, but I'm a little bit confused about this one. I don't know if there's been a bit of a discount here, which this is the interesting bit, yeah? So that's Gateshead Magistrates Court, and then I've got a South Northumbrian Magistrates Court. Notice of endorsement of driving record. So the court has ordered that your driving record be endorsed with penalty points stated below, yeah? Further information, blah, blah, blah. Bloody link to a website. Then it bangs on about all the old paper documents we used to have where they'd stick your endorsements on. Load of nonsense there. Anyway, Mr. Benjamin Wood, again, head of legal operations North East. He's working on behalf of that corporation. So he's giving me his name, but he's giving me the mister. So he'll be getting screwed. And then it says offences and orders. So again, it goes in, fail to give information relating to the identification of driver, ride a vehicle when required. Fine, 660. To pay surcharge fund service. Hang on a minute. What's this? To pay a surcharge to pay a surcharge fund to victim services. Well, there was no victim. Excuse me. I do apologise for burping. Oh my gosh, I just eaten. Yeah, so to pay a surcharge to fund victim services. Well, there was no victim. It was a victimless crime. It wasn't even a crime. It was offence. Someone's offended. And then 264, then it says to pay cost £90, collection order made. Ooh, scary. And then it says driving record endorsement with 6 points. I don't really give a shit. And it says RWI 440 band C. Now, this is the best bit on the back of this letter. Now, this is where I think I've gotten by the short and curlies now. So there's a reference number which I'm aware of. And then it gives me a DVLA code. And then it gives me a date. And it says speeding exceeded 30 miles per hour on a restricted road, automatic camera device, offence withdrawn. So, what that suggests to me is because of how I've rebutted the initial speeding ticket, they've withdrawn that offence, and now they're trying to scare me with all this other shit. So, if the offence is withdrawn, therefore I've won. So I think it's going to be an affidavit of truth in this occasion now. I've got all my maxims wrote out and stuff ready. I've got a witness. But yeah, I'm not even going to phone them, to be honest. But yeah, honestly, what a joke. So if you withdraw the original offence, then you just create loads of other shit and try and scare me. Go, well, you didn't give us £100, we want £1,000 off you. You know what? They can kiss my ass, people. So I'm going to get down to it, get it all wrote up, and I'll do another video about what I wrote, and we'll see where it goes from there, yeah? Peace out, people. Love and respect. Ciao for now.